वेलकम फ्रेंड्स। पिछले कुछ दिनों से एक नया एक्सपेरिमेंट शुरू किया है। कुछ जनरल अवेयरनेस के क्वेश्चन लेकर आपके सामने हाजिर होता हूं। 2 अटेम्प्ट कर चुका हूं। मुझे लगता है मेरा ये प्रयास कुछ नए विद्यार्थियों के लिए बहुत उपयोगी हो सकता है। इसी श्रृंखला में आपके सामने पेश है जनरल अवेयरनेस से जुड़े हुए कुछ तथ्यात्मक प्रश्न। आशा है आप सॉल्व करके अपने जनरल अवेयरनेस को जानने का प्रयास करेंगे। फर्स्ट डैम इन इंडिया, विच वाज द फर्स्ट डैम इन इंडिया कंस्ट्रक्टेड? दैट वाज कल्लानी डैम, also known as Grand Anicut, in the 2nd century AD, built by Chola kings. Second dam in India. The second dam of India is Bhakra Dam on border of HP and Punjab on the Satluj River. Second largest and longest dam of India also. So second dam is Bhakra Dam. First atomic explosion of India, that was May 18, 1974 in Pokhran, Rajasthan. First satellite of India, the first satellite of India, that is Aryabhat, sent on April 19, 1975. First Indian scientist to receive Nobel Prize. So C.V. Raman, on his rubber effect in 1930, received Nobel Prize in Physics. First Indian to receive Nobel Prize, he is Rabindranath Tagore, who received Nobel Prize in 1913 on his book Gitanjali. First Indian to be honored with Fellow of Royal Society, FRS, he was Ardashir Karsetji Wadia, who was honored by FRS in 1841. First Lady to be honored with Fellow of Royal Society. Glad to speak Dr. Gagandeep Kang, who received honor of FRS in 2019. First lady to be honored. First newspaper of India. First newspaper is Hikki's Bengal Gazette, released on January 29, 1780, Kolkata. First Hindi newspaper of India. First Hindi newspaper, that is Udant Marchand, released on 30th May 1826, again from Calcutta, and the editor was Pandit Jugal Kishore Shukla. First lady to climb Mount Everest. That lady is none than Bachendri Pal, who achieved this honor on May 23, 1984. First gold medal of India in Olympic, that is men's hockey team, received the gold medal in 1928. This gold medal was not an individual, but by the hockey team. But remember, the year was 1928, 98 years back. First Indian individual to receive gold medal in Olympics. He is none than Abhinav Bindra, who received in 2008 in Beijing Olympics for men's 10-meter air far. First Indian lady to receive gold medal in Olympics. I am sorry, no lady could get the gold medal till date, but first lady to receive any medal in Olympics. That lady is Karnam Malleshwari, bronze medal at Sydney Olympics, received in 2000 for weightlifting in the category of 69 kg. Largest university of world, very important, and largest university of world, that is Indira Gandhi National Open University, known as IGNOU. 70 lakh learners are admitted. First All India Institute of Medical Science, AIMS, in India. First AIMS in India was established in 1956, New Delhi. First AIMS. First IIT of India. First IIT of India was established in Kharagpur, August 18, 1951, in Kharagpur, West Bengal. First National Law University in India. First National Law University was established in Bengaluru in 1986, but the session was started from 1988. First Indian Institute of Management, IIM, in India. First IIM in India was established on November 20, 1961, in Kolkata. First Indian lady to go in space, She is Dr. Kalpana Chawla, who left for space in 1997 by Space Shuttle Columbia. But very unfortunately, when she was coming back in February 2003, every Indian was looking at the TV that she should come back and we will welcome. Unfortunately, that was accidental. First Indian lady to receive PhD degree, and she's Dr. Kamala Soni, who received from University of Cambridge in 1939. First Indian lady to receive PhD degree from any Indian university. She's a very renowned organic chemist, Dr. Asima Chatterjee, who received in 1944 in organic chemistry from Calcutta University. First University of India, that was University of Calcutta, University of Calcutta rather I should say, established on January 24, 1857. But I would like to make it clear that three universities, Bombay, Calcutta and Madras, came into existence in 1857, but only the day was different. So first was Calcutta, second was Bombay, and third was University of Madras. First lady CM of India. She was Mrs. Sucheta Kripalani. She was CM of UP from 1963 to 1967. First lady governor of India. She was Sarojini Naidu from August 1947 to March 1949. Most poisonous substance on earth, that is botuline or botulinum toxin, 4 kg is enough to finish every animal and plant on earth. What is the pH of blood? Correct reply is 7.35 to 7.45, or average I can say 7.40. Which is the most stable element? The most stable element is tellurium 128 Te. Half-life period is 2.2 into 10 raised to the power 23 years. However, age of universe is 1.38 into 10 raised to the power 10 years. Which is the least stable element? Least stable element is Oganesson 294 with half-life 0.7 millisecond or 0.0007 second. What is the pH of milk? pH of milk is between 6.5 to 6.7 acidic. Who invented pH scale? pH scale was invented by SPL Sorensen in 1900. Now, how many cells are present in human body? The total number of cells present 37 trillion in human body. How many CSIR laboratories in our country? Correct reply is there are 37 CSIR laboratories in our country. Which is the oldest CSIR laboratory? Oldest CSIR laboratory is IICT, Indian Institute of Chemical Technology, situated at Hyderabad. In which year CSIR, Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, was founded, and who was the founder of CSIR? Correct reply is CSIR was founded in 1944 by a leading physical chemist, Dr. Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar or Dr. S.S. Bhatnagar. Which chemical makes the chili so hot? Reply is capsaicin. Capsaicin makes the chili so hot, even little amount. Is IPR, Institute of Plasma Research, located? Reply, IPR, Institute of Plasma Research, is located in Gandhinagar. Where is NCL, National Chemical Laboratory, located? Reply is NCL is located in Pune, Maharashtra. What is the full form of NIPER? NIPR. Full form of NIPER is National Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research. The full form IISER, IISER. The full form of IISER is Indian Institute of Science, Education and Research. It is the most dense metal. Reply is osmium with 22.587 gram per cubic centimeter density is the most dense metal. Which is the lightest metal? Lithium, lightest metal with 0.534 gram per cubic centimeter. How many bones are present in a newly born child? The correct reply is 300 bones are present in a newly born child. How many bones are present in an adult, or I can say in a human body? Correct reply is 206 bones are present in an adult or human being, because some bones after birth are fused. So in newly born child, number of bones 300, but in an adult, the bones are 206 because some are fused after birth in the growing stage. How old is our universe, our earth, and how old is our solar system? Correct reply is universe is 13.8 billion years old. Our Earth is 3.54 billion years old. And our solar system is 3.6 billion years old. Invented blood group. Correct reply, Austrian biologist Karl Landsteiner in 1901 invented blood group. Weight of brain an adult human being. 1330 to 1380 gram is the weight of the brain in an adult human being. Which compound makes the tomato blushing red? Correct reply is lycopene. Lycopene, which a number of unsaturated bond makes the tomato blushing red. Which acid is present in or imli? Correct reply is tartric acid is present in imli. Acid is present in curd or yogurt. Replies lactic acid.